got my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. I get my light right from the source, yeah. I got my peaches out in Georgia. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Brittany. You here? Welcome. If you're new here, hey girl, hey, what is poppin'? This channel is all about makeup, beauty, hauls, and all that good stuff. So make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Come on in. So guys, today's video is a hair video. We are going to be talking about these beautiful locks from True Glory Hair. This is a 13x6 HD Brazilian full lace wig, honey, frontal down, no closure, just straight up this. So straight out the box. I'm going to show you all the box towards the end. It came in a really cute packaging, but everything was fast. Shipping was fast. It was like 3 to 4 days. Yeah, to lay the wig down, I used Kiss's Almighty Bond Lace Front Wig Dual Tip Applicator. This is it's a really good product. Comes with 2 ends. This is the flat side. And then this side is the side that you would use if you need to touch up any lace that's lifting. So I really recommend this. It's easy. It's like beginner friendly. Like, I love it. So yeah, today I'm gonna just show you guys how I curl this hair. Let's see how the hair holds up to heat. So for my baby hairs, before I cut the baby hair part, I just curled it. Makes your edges look like, you know, you didn't try too hard. Like, I kind of like that look. Like, it doesn't look super gelled down and anything like that. Don't mind the kitchen at the back. She ain't even here. Okay, let's just pretend she is not here. I'm just shearing the ends because it was just too thick and not curling how I wanted it to curl. Like, I wanted it to curl inwards. It's got to be.
I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. I got my peaches out in Georgia. Yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. You ain't sure yet.
I'm just gonna show you how the hair curls. Thank you so much, True Glory Hair, for sponsoring this video. But like, the hair is bomb. So one thing about me, I love a good lace, and on top of that, I also love good quality hair. For me, I personally will say that I do think they need like more density. Like, you know, this is giving like 2.5 bundles, and it's 22 inches, and then I did cut it shorter. I think I cut it to about like 20 inches. Not even, but just to clip off the dead ends. So, and then also, yeah, I would just say instead of 150, maybe 180, or just buy an extra bundle to make it look really full and give it a lot of volume. But this is cool too because it still looks realistic.
But I'm for ya. All I could want, all I could wish for. Nights alone that we miss more.
Before you curl hair or put any heat to any hair, you definitely want to use a heat protectant. Use any heat protectant that you have. And yeah.
Days we save as souvenirs. There's no time, I wanna make more time and give you my whole life. Let my girl, I'm in my Yorker. Hate to leave it, call it torture. Remember when I couldn't hold her? Left the baggage for a mover.
I'm not getting any hair out, so I don't think the hair sheds like that. No, I was just been playing with it a lot, so it looks like it was kind of shedding, but no. So I think this hair is good on shedding, but any hair you have is gonna shed, but this is good quality hair, so it's not gonna shed like that. Back to content ever since my mom died, but it's been kind of hard. I ain't gonna lie to you, but we're getting back there up there. As far as dyeing the hair, I used Adore's Jet Black and Midnight Black or something like that, and I watercolored it. So you get your hot water and you boil it first, of course, put it in a basin and dip the hair in, and you're good to go. First, I bleach the knots always. And I used the Blonde Express 9 level. This works like magic. And I used 30 developer for it, and I think I left it on about 25 minutes. I would recommend that you leave it on for about 20 minutes because this hair, like, because it's like a raw lace material, it bleached actually faster because the material is, I think, just a little bit more finer. So I would just say just look while your hair is under developer while you're bleaching the knots. So 22 inches, but I did cut it to like maybe 20 inches and then gave the front just a little bit of layer so I could have some curls. I think the hair takes heat really, really well. The only con I would say about this hair is like the density part. It's not terrible, like, trust me. With 22 inches, we're cool. But if you were like 26 and 28 or anything like that, you would need an extra bundle. That's for sure, because 150 doesn't do it. But I will say the cap size on this wig unit is like 22.5. And that is like amazing. Like, I have no issues with the cap size. The unit does come with combs. So I normally cut the combs off. I sewed my elastic band on. So to customize the hair is really easy. It's a really smooth process. So I really like this hair. I actually would purchase from this brand because the lace is the lace for me. Like, the lace is melted, sweetheart. It is just melted, okay? Like, I love it. I'm fine with that. Like I said, I'm not a professional with it. So with this hair, it doesn't shed a lot. It did shed whenever I was manipulating the hair, and like, I feel like when I was cutting the lace, like, probably some of the hair shedded some more. And I feel like whenever I was manipulating, like, I got some hair pieces, which is normal. It doesn't shed like crazy. Like, I don't have a hairball on me, so it doesn't shed like that. Shipping for this hair is pretty fast. It took 3 to 4 days after the order was placed. Like I said, this is a full lace wig, full frontal, baby. What else I have to say about this hair? It is 150 density. So to me, that's like 2.5 bundles. For this length, it's 22 inches. It's okay, but I prefer a lot more hair, a lot more volume. So I would say if you're getting this hair, just maybe add another bundle or whatever. I would recommend that they increase their density options for people that do like extra volume, and they probably have bundles too. So you should just, you know, add another bundle if you want that voluminous look. But for me, it's okay. I like this. It looks very natural, I would say. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. Don't forget to shop True Glory Hair. They have a spring sale going on right now, so you don't want to miss out. 25% off. Go check their site off. Let them know I sent you guys. What do you guys think? Do y'all like a side part on me? Y'all know I'm a middle part chick like forever, but I think I want to just switch it up and keep doing like a side part. So cute, right? So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. Leave a thumbs down below, leave a thumbs up down below, leave a comment. And do you like middle parts or do you like side parts? Which one do y'all favor? Do y'all like full lace wigs? Do y'all like sew-ins? Do y'all like closure wigs? I kind of want to know what the vibe is for people right now. It's summertime, so I think a wig like this, it's not too heavy and that's not too long, is perfect. It's just like really, really essential to not be hot. It's a hot girl summer, but don't let your wig to be too hot and heavy, okay? So yeah, guys, don't forget to check out the website. I'll leave the link in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts are. And I'll leave everything links in the description, as you guys know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to y'all next time.